Record. Yeah. Now again, I'm coming to this. So, what is the degree you have studied, please?
Me?
Yeah.
So I've completed my graduation in electrical and electronics engineering from Birla Institute of Technology.
Acha, you are going for your Central Bank of India, that MBA, credit
Yes,
officer.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. CBI
Very
PGD
good. See,
credit officer.
whatever we are discussing here now is not very high level. They will be of use for you. But in some stages, I will tell you, those questions may be of a high order for you. They do not expect you to know that
Yes,
because
sir.
you are not a commerce graduate.
Yes, sir.
However, whatever has been given in this material that we are reading now will be
Yes, sir.
certainly useful for candidates going for Central Bank of India MBA also. Shakti Pratap.
Okay, sir.
Shakti Pratap
After 61, 61st point.
71.
Sorry, 71st point.
Please read.
Yes, sir. Sir,
It is not
screen
visible.
is not visible to me. Yes, sir.
Oh,
Screen is
sorry,
not
sorry.
visible to me.
Sorry. कभी कभी ऐसा हो जाता है. Yeah. Yeah. Reserve fund, please.
Yes, sir. So, yes, sir. Reserve fund. The term reserve fund means such reserves against which clearly investment, etc.
Hmm.
Such reserve against which clearly investment. Sir, I couldn't understand this point.
The term reserve fund means such reserve against which, that is, for example, a reserve fund for machinery, a reserve fund for new technical building. So these funds are created separately for that purpose. Could you follow?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Continue.
Undisclosed
72.
reserves.
Yeah.
Sometimes a reserve is created, but its identity is merged with some other account or group of accounts so that the existence of the reserve is not known. Such reserve is called undisclosed reserve.
Please read again. Even I am not able to follow. Sometimes.
The undisclosed reserves. Sometimes a reserve is created, but its identity is merged with some other account or group of accounts so that the existence of the reserve is not known. Such reserve is called an undisclosed reserve.
Good. Continue.
Finance management. Financial management deals with the procurement of funds and their effective utilization in the business.
This is the job all of you are going to do. That is
Yes, sir.
how to get money from the market or the public, how to make use of it, how to borrow money from the banks. But now you are on the other side of the bridge. You are sitting
Yes, sir.
as a banker. You will
Yes, sir.
justify whether others really deserve money being given. Continue. 74.
Objectives of financial management. Financial management having two objectives, that is, profit maximization and wealth maximization. Profit maximization. The finance manager has to make his decision in a manner so that the profits of the concern are maximized. Wealth maximization. Wealth maximization means the objective of a firm should be to maximize its value or wealth, or value of a firm is represented by the market price of its common stock.
Actually, any company normally is valued by its market capitalization. This may be a new term for engineering graduates, not for MBAs. MBA
Yes,
candidate,
sir.
can anyone tell me what you understand by market capitalization?
Shall I try, sir?
Yeah,
Yes, sir. So it is the price of shares to the outstanding share of particular company.
correct. In other words, number of shares issued by the company multiplied by the present market share price. For example, the candidate engineering boy, you are going for which bank? Central Bank of India,
Yes, sir.
correct?
Yes, sir.
So what I have to do, I have to go to google.co.in and then
Yes.
search Central Bank of India share price today. If I search, are you seeing on the screen? No. If I search like that on the screen, what it will show you 38.89.
Yes, sir.
Today's share price is 38.89 into
Yes, sir.
number of shares issued by the bank is giving you this one
This is market capital.
352 352.01
0.01 billion.
billion.
Yes, sir.
So let me give that detail today in our credit officer folder. Central Bank of India share price कितना था 39.
38 point,
No, no,
38 point something, sir.
no, Baba.
38.89.
38.89. Good, very good. I am remembering wrongly. You are remembering correctly. I am very happy. Market capitalization is equal to market capitalization. This, like this, we should do for our bank till you go for interview every day.
Okay. So
352.01.
they can ask me the share price of that day also. Like,
Yeah, yeah,
sir, I
yeah.
generally do share market on Grow, but
Acha,
Central Bank of India, I haven't
exactly.
even.
Exactly. They will ask you, Mr. What is your name? Mechanical engineer?
No, sir, electrical engineer, Shakti.
Shakti. Shakti, Shakti.
Yes.
Shakti is also electricity, power. Acha, Shakti,
Yes.
you will have a bright chance for selection. If you
Yes,
tell
sir.
you are interested in shares,
Yes, sir. I have interest and I've purchased some shares also, sir. Of
so
I think
if
six,
you
seven
tell
companies.
if you tell like that, they will ask you, since when are you investing in share capital? Which company shares are you holding? Are you having
Yes, sir.
central bank share? Just listen. Are you holding central bank shares? What made you develop a taste for this one? Don't you think it is risky to invest in shares? Are you doing share? There are two types, buying in the morning, selling in the evening. उसको क्या बोलते हैं?
Intraday and
Intraday, sir.
d-
Intraday.
intraday
अच्छा,
and delivery trade also. That's for some time, and swing trading also. That's for some lesser time, short
अच्छा.
duration of time, like for weeks.
एक दिन आपको समय देगा 15 मिनट, 10-15 मिनट. आप शेयर मार्केट का बारे में पूरा डिटेल बात कर लीजिए. इसका
Yes,
बाद
sir.
में और एक बात है अभी. और यू नाउ आई एम शोइंग यू अगेन.
But sir, if I'm not a member, if I'm not a shareholder of Central Bank of India, then does it
नो
create any
प्रॉब्लम.
problem?
Just for fun, Baba. They may not ask you that question. I made fun of you. They will not go to
Okay, okay,
that cheap level. They don't mind about it. But
okay, okay,
they
okay.
will ask you what are the factors you look into before buying a share. And
हाँ, ये
not only that, I was coming to one important point. Such people who are interested in share capital, not only them, all others going for such interview like this, candidates, you should go through this one. India stock market terminologies.
yes, sir.
सब कुछ हम लोग इसको प्रिपेयर करना है. Candidates, are you seeing on the screen terminology?
Yes, sir.
Hello, boys, girls, those who are not participating in share capital market also. Please remember, as a candidate going for interview at the beginner stage for credit officer, the questions will be on this. What is a bear market? What is a dividend? What is capitalization? What is meant by IPO? What initial public offer?
Public
What is
offering, yes.
volatility? What is blue chip stocks? What is portfolio? What is bid, broker, day trading, stock exchange, arbitrage, bond, index, liquidity, margin, annual report, beta. Beta means not sun. ये क्या है? Beta means क्या है?
No idea. So it's beta. I don't
Beta,
know.
beta means starting, beginning, trial.
Okay.
Trial version. Normally, that's what I believe. Let us see what answer they have given. Beta ka matlab, this denotes the relation between, what I told you is wrong. The beta, this denotes the relation between the price of a stock and the overall movements exhibited by the stock market. Oh, Baba. One meaning of beta is beta version means new version introduced in the market. But in the
Yes, sir.
stock market, the terminology is different. Just as BP बोलने से हॉस्पिटल का अंदर में बोलने से तो ब्लड प्रेशर BP,
Hmm.
if you are telling in the bank, it means what? What does it mean? BP inside the bank, bills purchased.
Okay, sir.
समझ गया candidates? I think this alone is not sufficient. There are so many things available. Call option, ETF, bull market, ask, limit order, ask price, बहुत कुछ है जी. Okay. So what should I do
Yes, sir.
now? Acha, 25 basic stock market terms. I am getting another one. I am I think this is good one. I will give you this one in our um, in our group. Okay. Then candidates, wait. I have interest in this. This was now, whenever you have a doubt regarding any difference and all, there is a website known as difference. Here, I could not get that one. You can search difference between pledge and mortgage, the difference between pledge and hypothecation. When you search like that, automatically it will take you to a website which will help you know about more of the credit terms. Difference between pledge and hypothecation. This is a favorite question. Supposing I ask like this, please all of you note down candidates, keydifferences.com. Hello, very
Yes, sir.
important. I am giving in our WhatsApp group. Please remember key. I am forgetting this. I have been dealing with 5 years, but still हमको ये याद नहीं आता है. Keydifferences.com. You go and ask for any difference. Difference between father and mother. Difference between borrower and lender. सब कुछ anything you can get it here. Do you follow my candidates? Are you able to follow?
We don't follow that, sir, but from now onwards, we will search on that.
Yeah, you have to follow it up. You can, whenever, for example, today some boy asked about bond and debenture. Nothing wrong in asking. Whenever you get some doubt, you please go to keydifferences.com and try to
Mm.
get it. I told you about terminology of market candidates. This is important. Plus, you should also be thorough with all banking terminologies. You can search in Google banking terminologies and master about it. Now, I think it is Shakti is reading. Shakti,
Yes, sir.
where are you now? Question number 75.
75.
Yeah.
Functions of financial manager. So can you scroll down? Investment decision, dividend decision, finance decision, cash management decisions, performance evaluation, market impact analysis.
अच्छा, ये सब तो इतना आसान से मालूम नहीं होगा. आप और एक बार घर में जाके बैठने के समय पर 2-3 मिनट एक एक पॉइंट का बारे में सोच लीजिए. सोच के डेवलप कर दीजिए. कंटिन्यू 76.
Time value of money. The time value of money means the worth of a rupee received today is different from the worth of a rupee to be received in the future.
In one or two interviews a year or two back, those fellows, they were giving interviewers giving lot of confusion over this. See, what is the value of 100 rupees after 5 years? Something like that they were asking. And it is also true,
Yes, sir.
money's value is not same. When I retired from bank, my salary was 20,000 rupees. Nothing
Yes, sir.
secret, Baba. Nothing secret, Baba. Now,
Yes,
the
sir.
same post, if I continue, my salary will be, can you guess what it is now?
The 3 lakh maybe. 2.5 to 3 lakhs.
2.2 lakhs.
Yeah.
2.2 lakhs. That is 1 rupee of my retirement day is now equivalent to 10 rupees of today.
Yes,
Not
sir.
in all aspects, in some majority it is like this. So that is what it is. And in fact, we can compare, instead of telling one salary, we can compare like this also. When I got married in 76, the price of sovereign was 160 rupees. Sovereign means how many
Yes, sir.
grams? Sovereign means how many grams?
So what?
Sovereign.
Sorry,
One sovereign.
sovereign.
Sovereign. You may not know, all of you are ladkas. You may not know
So
ladki.
sovereign means like in political terms, it means to be freedom and to do.
That is okay. I
I
am
think.
asking about gold, Baba. Gold.
Sir,
Gold mein
50
sovereign
gram,
means 8 grams.
8 gram.
Gra-
Okay, okay.
Gold is sold in grams, and 1 gram price is now somewhere around kitna rupiah hai? What is the
But 10
price of
gram is around, I think, 98 or 99 thousand, I think. 10 grams.
what
Ek
you are
tola.
telling? What you are telling is 24 karat gold. What I am talking is
Yeah, yeah.
22 karat gold. 22 karat gold price in India. If you search, you will
Maybe,
get
sir,
today's.
80, 80,
Yeah,
85,000.
today's price is 9,676 per gram.
Yeah, 96,000 per 10
Yeah,
grams.
9,676 per gram. So, the gold that was bought in my marriage day, 170 rupees, 160 rupees, is now worth 9,676 into 8. समझ गया कितना?
Yes,
रफली 78,000, सेवेंटी सेवन
yes, sir.
थाउजेंड तक जाएगा जी. नाउ यू
Yes, sir.
अंडरस्टैंड. 100 rupees of those days is equivalent to 70,000 rupees of today. That is, the value of money loses its value because of inflation. I'm not confusing you more. We will go ahead,
But
Mr. Shakti. Yeah,
sir,
yeah, tell.
if the interviewer asks the 500 rupees of today is what amount equal to in the upcoming 5 years, so we can roughly take idea as 4% 4% inflation every year and approximately 25% in upcoming 5 years. So we can roughly say that it's approximately equal to 750 rupees or 800
Yeah,
rupees.
yeah. 100 may
Can we
become
say like that?
750. 100 may become 7.
500 maybe.
No. See, you said it is increasing by 25% in 5 years.
By 4% per year. If we take 4% per year, then
That means
approximately 25 to
after 5 years
30%
it
in
will be
5 years.
20.
Approximately
Uh,
25% because
yeah, in other
4% पे
words,
भी ऊपर लगेगा.
today's 100 rupees will be
Will be equal to 125.
120 rupees. 120 rupees of the after 5
120.
years. 120
Yeah.
or 125 like that. Okay. But
Yes.
Uttara,
Okay.
that much clearly it doesn't go. It varies like anything. Okay.
But he can ask that kind of question, like
Yeah,
as you said.
yeah. Even here in my own coaching, 1999, 2019, I started it free.
Okay.
Grand success. First interview was LIC ADO. Super
Yes,
success.
sir.
Followed by State Bank of India PO. Good success. Later on, what happened? Number of requests were more. I could not manage. So I started
Yes, sir.
increasing the cost step by step. I came to 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, now 600. So here also inflation.
Yes, sir. We got it, sir.
Just for fun. Carry on.
Yes, sir.
77 Shakti.
Capital structure. It refers to the mix of sources from where the long-term funds required in a business may be raised. In other words, it refers to the proportion of debt, preference capital, and equity capital. Optimum
Continue.
capital structure. Capital structure is optimum when the firm has a combination of equity and debt so that the wealth of the firm is maximum.
Mm.
And what's next? I think it's WACC. The pronunciation right?
Which one? WACC.
79
WACC.
WACC.
Mm.
WACC. It denotes weighted average cost of capital. It is defined as the overall cost of capital computed by reference to the proportion of each component of capital as weights.
Acha, acha.
It,
They take even debentures as a capital. That is why
yes,
they
sir.
say different interest rates. Doesn't matter. Continue. Number 80.
Number 80, financial break-even point. It denotes the level at which a firm's EBIT is just sufficient to cover interest and preference dividend.
See, this is very financial break. Normally in business, break even point means the sale figure that you have to reach in order to see that there is no loss or gain. You
Yes, sir.
understand? Break even
Yes, sir.
point means that here financial break even point is given differently. Expansion for EBIT for non commerce graduates is earnings before income tax.
Yes, sir. You
Very good.
told yesterday.
Yeah. Yesterday I told. Now, next candidate who has come, I think some boy who has joined just now. Hmm. Today only Gaurav. Mr. Gaurav. Gaurav, are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Gaurav, you are from which place?
Sir, I am from Jaipur, Rajasthan.
Acha, good. What is the degree you have done?
Sir, I have done civil engineering from Rajasthan Technical University and then post-graduation in construction management from Nikmar, Pune.
You are appearing for CBI?
No, sir, PNB industry officer.
Acha, PNB industry officer. Good.
Yes,
Then I may have to talk separately to you also because industry officer means that which is related to your field. For example, in
yes, sir.
recently, if you go through my videos, you will find a
Yes,
video for a candidate who has gone for electric electricity engineer. In Bank
okay,
of
sir.
Baroda, he joined as electricity engineer. So for him,
Yes,
I
sir.
was asking him questions relating to electricity, how
Okay, sir.
electricity is made, then how renewable energy is made, like this. Since you are
Okay.
joining as, what is the designation?
Sir, industry officer, uh, only
Yeah,
industry officer is written there.
yeah, your background is civil.
Yes, sir.
So for you, then I will talk to you separately one of these days. For 5-10 minutes,
Okay,
I will talk. Later on, you can start preparing on your own by looking into Google and all that. Whatever
okay.
material I have sent you will be,
Yes, sir.
I would suggest you are going through the website of our Punjab National Bank, because
Uh, right.
uh,
Yes,
Punjab National Bank means they will ask about what is a civil engineer's job, why you are coming here after doing civil engineering, then what you
yes, sir.
can do for us, what is civil
Yes,
engineering work, why licenses are insisted upon, which is the biggest project can done in your state, what is the biggest project happening in our country, something like that questions will go. Which company is the
yes, sir.
topmost construction company in the country? Which is the
Yes.
topmost cement manufacturing company? Why cement price is going up or coming down? I don't know. So, like that, questions will come.
Okay, sir.
Anyhow, we will discuss that. You, which date is your interview?
Sir, 22nd July.
Acha, you have time. So,
Yes, sir.
you be reading. After first week, you can take one mock, and before
Okay.
interview, 3-4 days before that, you can take your second mock also. I think
Okay, sir.
these classes may not be of direct relevance for you. I would
Yes, sir.
suggest you were going through your own study materials on civil engineering. For example, see,
Yes, sir.
invariably in such interviews, the question will be, say, as is, which are the civil engineering companies in India? Who is the biggest
Yes.
civil engineer in our country? What is that man's name? That engineer on whose name Engineering Day is celebrated. What is the name of that
Vishwesh
gentleman? Vishweshwaraya.
MM Vishweshwara. Yes.
Yeah. So like that, the questions will go on like that. And also, what are the latest trends found in civil engineering? What is the latest methodology found in civil engineering? How is
Yes.
metro rails constructed? Who is Sridhar? Why his name is associated with so and so field? Like that, the
O-
questions will go on. I would request
Okay.
you to depend on your Google and also your field magazines.
Okay,
Do
sir.
you get my point?
Yes, sir.
Are you working now?
No, sir. I was working. I have experience of 2 years and 5 months.
As
Then I was,
in which company?
sir, is a solar developer from CleanMax.
Excellent. So they will ask you, and who is what? Can you tell me the rich ladies of India? Rich ladies means there are 10 ladies. It came in some newspaper or magazine. That's why I'm asking. That includes Godrej, Junjunwala, then Termax owner. Almost all of them are widows of the people who were running big companies. They are continuing it now. So you should know
Yes.
about industries. You should know about
Okay.
construction industry. समझ गया?
Yes, sir.
You should
Yes,
know
sir.
about surface road transport minister
Yes.
Gadkari. Ah,
Yes.
then you should know about toll collection. Then you should know about PPP, something like that. ASAP. So your role is completely different. For having come here, please read
Yes.
81 to 90. Please read.
So may I interrupt in a
Yes.
between
Yeah, who
just
is
for a while?
asking? Yeah,
So Shakti.
Shakti, tell me.
Sir, if a person is going for some other profile like credit or some PO like other exams and he's from engineering background, then the questions were obviously asked from the engineering background also. But I just
Also,
want to know that
I
what
will ask you those questions.
I just
I
want to
will.
know, sir, what will be the depth of those questions? Like, will be the
You can watch my videos, recent videos on Bank of Baroda. I will give you that link. Bank of Baroda. Recently, I conducted a lot of interviews for people. Among them, there was one electricity engineer going for electricity engineer job in Bank of Baroda. Please go
no, but
through that.
yeah, I'll go through that video, sir. But if a person is going from different profile, like for PO or credit officer profile, then
Even
also they will
even
ask
for
the
even for
question. That's
PO profile, they will ask questions from that minor way,
okay.
not much.
Okay. Okay,
Minor,
sir.
ज्यादा
Thank you,
नहीं
sir.
है.
Thank you.
There are 119 videos. Not all of them are related to you, but there are only 3 videos or 2 videos. Only two. Only one boy came for that, and that one boy, a very intelligent boy, very intelligent boy. He is now working in a government job, earning nearly 80 to 90,000 salary. He wants to go to Bank of
Yes, sir.
Baroda because it pays him better salary. I am giving that link in our credit officer folder. Sorry, that WhatsApp page. Abhi de diya. BOB
Definitely. Definitely.
interview
Okay, okay,
for
sir. I'll watch
electricity
that video, sir.
engineer. Okay, you please go through that.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Sakti, if you watch those 2 videos, you are fully thorough. You will be knowing about what you can be asked. But however you want, what you can do is go to Google and ask Google to give electricity engineer questions for bank interviews. It will give me 200 questions. It will give you 200 questions with answers.
Okay, okay, sir. I'll do that, sir.
Yeah, very good. Next, I
Thank
think we were with our Gaurav. Gaurav ji, you
Yes.
are there with us now.
Yes, sir.
Gaurav, please read from 81 to 90.
Okay, sir. So capital budgeting involves the process of decision making with regard to investment in fixed assets or decision making with regard to investment of money in long-term projects.
Okay, continue.
Payback payback period Payback period represents the time period required for complete recovery of initial investment in the project. Mm.
Okay.
ARR, accounting or average rate of return means the average annual yield on the project.
Okay.
NPV, the net present value of an investment proposal is defined as the sum of present values of all the future cash flow inflows less the sum of present values of all cash outflows associated with the proposal.
Hmm.
Profitability index,
Yeah.
where
Continue. Hmm.
different investment proposal, each involving different initial investment and cash flows are to be compared.
Hmm.
IRR, internal rate of return, is the rate at which the sum total of discounted cash inflows equals the discounted cash outflows. Treasury management. Sir,
Hmm.
can you please scroll down?
Yeah, 1 minute, 1 minute. Just now somebody is joining. Yeah. Treasury management. Yeah.
Yes. Treasury management, it
Yeah.
means it is defined as the efficient management of liquidity and financial risk in
Hmm.
business.
Hmm.
88. Concentration banking. It means
Hmm.
identify location or place where customers are placed and open a local bank account in each of these locations and open local collection center.
Hmm.
89. Marketable securities.
Hmm.
Surplus cash surplus cash can be invested in short-term instrument in order to earn interest.
Hmm.
90. Aging schedule. In an aging schedule, the receivables are classified according to their age.
That is receivable means जो हम लोग लोन दिया है वो वापस आने के लिए कितना समय लगता है. I have sold some commodities 6 months back, 10 months back, 1 year back. 1 year back is now becoming bad debt. It may not come. So to determine the soundness of that debt, this aging schedule is done. So I will stop with this today because I'm sorry. Yesterday I covered for 50 questions. Today I could cover only 40. No problem. Today I will be with a group of people. I don't know how many are going to come for my interviews today 8:20 like that. Whenever I am free, today 8:20, 8:40, maybe I don't know, maybe around 9 o'clock. If I get some 20 minutes time, I will post in our group again, so you can come. We will continue with some more questions, or I may take you into a different angle, namely how to use the videos link I have given you, wherein especially credit officers, wherever I have discussed some concepts like NDTL, then average interest, like that, whenever some points, for example, debt service coverage ratio, whenever I have discussed some concepts, I would like you to watch them once, twice, take down notes so that you can answer them easily. I would have done some videos on working capital, term loan, etc. Those things also must be watched by you. I will take you through my YouTube channel and show you. While there are 300 videos, all the 300 you cannot see because majority of them will be mock interview videos. Not that they are not important, but concept videos must be watched by you so that you can communicate properly in the interview. Last year, my success rate was very good. More than 160 people got selected in Punjab National Bank. This time, number of people who have joined is very less. Doesn't matter. Best wishes. Thank you. Yeah. Now,
Thank
any
you, sir.
questions at this stage? Thank you. And if I get time, I will message giving you 2-3 minutes time so that you can join. If you are not joining, I will conduct some class of my own and cover it up and post it online. At least watch those videos without fail. Thank you.
Yes,
Best
so please do
wishes.
record the video. If someone doesn't able to attend the
Come,
class, then
even
he
if
will watch that
nobody
video.
comes, I will do it. Thank you.